Hi, a new toy came to my house and I'm going to present it. It is a adapter SSD M.2 NVMe SATA to M.2 USB-C. And on the website, you can see the specification. It's made by Zenwire. It's a European brand. And the device is really nice and really convenient. And I have to confess that transfers are also something that I'm glad of. Why? Just because I was testing it with the hdparm and I was able to achieve nice results that I'm going to present it in a moment. So you can see the speed and the timing cached reads. It's about 8,500 megabytes per second. It's a median, it's an average speed. And the timing buffer disk reads is almost the same, 41 megabytes per second. That is really nice. In a moment, I will install the operating system using Raspberry Pi Imager, and you will be able to see on the screen what I'm exactly doing and how fast the Raspberry Pi operating system is installing on the NVMe drive. You were able to observe that the speed of the installation of the Raspberry Pi OS on the NVMe drive using the RPi Imager was blazingly fast. Thanks to this adapter, you do not waste your time, but you can easily install the system within a minute or two. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much and have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.